When we talk about abortion, I think the first thing that comes to mind is something like a dilation and evacuation abortion, where it's in an abortion facility with an abortionist. Now, that is obviously not the only kind of abortion. There's also something called chemical abortion. And this, I feel like, is not necessarily talked about as much. It's talked about, but it is not, blasted across the internet. So I wanted to take an opportunity and kind of give you guys a little bit of information on that. I had done a video on these abortion drugs a couple of months ago with an organization called Students for Life. If you don't know who they are, I would totally recommend going and checking them out. It's in my bio. I'm an ambassador for them. Love them so much. But what we did is I went to a website that sells abortion pills, and I was able to order these pills without verifying my age, if I had parental consent, medical records, nothing. I did not actually purchase or order said pills, obviously, but I went through the process to prove that anybody at any time, no matter who you are, has access to these pills. These pills are not only able to be bought online, you can buy them in a store. They are handed out on the street. Like, it is genuinely so terrible because these babies are being murdered. These pills can also be detrimental to the mother and have adverse health effects for her. There's not really any regulation on chemical abortion pills, and a lot of people honestly don't know what they are or how accessible they are. So I hope this was a little bit educational for y'all. I would highly encourage you to step up and say something about these drugs because it needs to stop. We need to stop promoting this in our country. We need to stop promoting the murder of our children.